In this video, I will show you how I simplify the scholarship application for research masters and PhD programs in Canada. Watch this video to the end to find out. Are you having difficulties trying to find information on how to apply for research masters and PhD programs in Canada? Or the details are scattered all over the website of the institution and you get so confused and overwhelmed and you don't know how to start or where to start from? Good news, I have solved this problem. I will feed you with all the information you need to make the application process simpler for you. I designed the Scholarship Magnet. It's a coaching program that provides all the information you need to simplify the process of your application for research masters or PhD programs in Canada. Here are the 4 benefits of the Scholarship Magnet coaching program. Number 1, all in one place. It consolidates all the information you need in one place to make it easier. For example, details like admission requirements, reference letters, recommendation letters, application deadline, application fee, everything you need to know about the application. It even provides you with a link on where to start your application. And also, it provides contact information of the program or the institution in case you need to ask any questions. Number 2, guaranteed scholarship. Of course, there is information on scholarship and it carefully selects programs that have scholarship with guaranteed funding, meaning once you get admitted, the scholarship will come rolling in. Number 3, it saves you time and stress. Instead of surfing the website of the institutions trying to get information, you get all confused and stressed out. This program provides you with all the information you need to make the application process easier. Number 4, valuable tips. As an assistant professor in Canada and a scholarship expert, the coaching program contains valuable tips from my research experience that will help you in your journey as you apply for research masters and PhD programs in Canada. Also, I provide an avenue to have all your questions answered. If you've got value from this video, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. To learn more about the Scholarship Magnet coaching program, see details in the description. I'll see you next time.
Dr. Justice Agro is an assistant professor at Toronto Metropolitan University in Canada and the recipient of multiple scholarship awards to the tune of $160,000. He is the creator of the Scholarship Magnet, a scholarship coaching program that teaches students how to get a scholarship in Canada for research masters and PhD. He is also a licensed Canada immigration consultant. See details in description for free assessment.